Huh? Congratulations.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you. Congratulations.
Actually, yang mag saldi.
Ya, boleh di sana.
Belai hambai.
Tabuk.
Congratulations.
Boleh plan.
It's you, no?
Ya.
Thaya thangin yang tini Miss World ama ke mani phaiket kita sarong ni bukung so kha ba
Ani journey sama thank you onek nikolog ang 16 years ni swimming modeling kind of start khaika first ang Shillong go tongo kaya ang face of Meghalaya khaika when I was 16 I was in top 5 after that ang Guwahati thangka Sunsilk Mega Miss Northeast ni bagay I was one of the state winner ang Mega Miss Tripura title achieve khaika after that I went to Miss Hornbill International je Kohima angkha on the year 2023 wo again ang Paimalia I was in top 5 after that ang kabangman rejection of face khaika it was a roller coaster ride you can say all ups and downs ang onek rejection face khaika and after that one fine day ang kaisi email man GMI Miss India ni siming so GMI is something which is Global Model India. Hanki or ni siming ang email man kha. Hanki borong anas sungu Puspita, are you interested to give audition for GMI Miss India? Hanki I was going through a lot. Hanki ang onso ka why not ang audition renai hinai. Hanki hopefully ang audition crack khai ka. Hanki 13 ni siming 13 December 2024 ni siming 16 December 2024 zora Bombay ni Alcro Auditorium mo GMI Miss India ni competition angkha hanke first to like prepare khai ka ang 3 years experience ang onek no prepare khai ka but I wasn't expecting ki ang painay hinay but hopefully noro to ni hamzak man noro ni blessings by ang hopefully GMI Miss
Korok
India.
busuk rok apro participate kenai bisingon ang jat oro GMI yo apply ang money.
So GMI Miss India hanggang to national level name. So from each state masa ke mane compete kayo ta contestants kayo mane so 30 competitors tong mani hangkai ang ke winner angka hangke Odisha hangke first runners up hangke Maharashtra hangke second runners up angka
30 tong money ta.
30
Gatawang next sobo jago thangnani bagai tiak khai tong.
Ani next hangkai ang Jakarta ni Indonesia wo Miss Culture International lo thangi participate khainai je angnai June this year ni June 2025 ni June angna nai tung
Akar charong hangke nang boma hai culture no talangai thangna nai tong.
Tabuk to it's not only Tripura tabuk to it's about whole India so it's a very big thing so I'm planning that ang like Singutan is Haimano that mainland India by Northeast India there is still gap. So as I am from Northeast, I would like to break the gap between the mainland India and the Northeast India. So I will do something fusion of Northeast India and the mainland India. Amo hai hini na wan suwi tong tatabuk.
Ike nini line to tabuk je nang pori tong mani to medical. Abo ke boma hai ago tong tabuk.
Tam sanay tabuk onek na ups and downs being in medical field chung tonek ma poryo chung bugwa mango. Hanggai tabuk bo ang amon leave mane tam sanay sometimes chung leave manaw kam ni bagay and I'm someone who doesn't like traveling but chung travel ma kayo kam ni bagay. Hingke onek no leave rok manaw hingke Jeffrey ta thangi join kaya Africa chung hospital extra shift rok ma kayo amti rokta.
Acha. Hingke nang tak medical side facing da besi ni musung mani besi na ayang ni Miss India ang nani bakak bomo hainin khatong to kaini tong la kaisa to major tong nani ni bomo
Amti to kuno ya kaisa choose khaimia because I have to balance both things because tabuk Miss India is something je ani kaisa dream tong mani cherai from is swimming mane as a girl as I was a kid ani kaisa dream tong mani that I will be Miss India someday if not Miss India then mane ani kaisa dream tong mani that an India no represent khainai in a global platform so it happened And ani parents ni kaisa imang tongu that ang medical background no tong thung that born kaisa expectations tongu that ang disappoint na khaitung but I have to complete my studies anyhow. Hinke yeah, I'm balancing both things right
Both
now.
things.
Yeah.
Okay. Bah, ambay.